We are at the Hyatt place, Denver Cherry Creek. Hopefully they don't yell at me. Oh yeah.
Except
It's TK now. What's the trick?
it's not just over tradition. That's the trick.
Ah, very tricky.
See?
Oh!
See?
Ah.
It's the trick. The
Relay controlled still.
Yeah, definitely. It's the original controllers. In fact, it's even the original indicators.
Yeah, all that's been modded are the buttons.
Yeah. They even have the original Dover fire service in there. And that funny looking Signa 4.
Here, let's hear the bell on the outside.
If it works.
Because, yeah, even these are original still. Well, it
Getting
left.
the left one now. So you've never been in this one?
I have, I just never filmed it.
Oh, okay. Then how did you not know that the buttons were?
I forgot.
Forgot.
There's your Dover door track.
Yep.
Nice
Dover
cabin,
walls,
getting redone.
Dover ceiling.
You know, these VR buttons aren't too common.
These are the VP ones with concave, and we just.
This is quick, let's speed test these.
These things are nuts.
What's up, gentlemen?
How's it going? See how fast. These are pretty fast. These just like drop.
Yeah.
Although that was typical of what Dover's they usually do. Sheesh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sorry.
I want to ride it up again and test
Yeah,
the
we'll
speed.
step there. Look.
Want to see how fast it goes? It's pretty fast.
I know.